Hi guys, I wanted to show you some stuff. I've got some Airraid sirens. Uh, Here's a little one. It's very small and it gives a little bit of a high pitched note, as I will show you in a later video. And I don't know how much watt it is, but it's 220 volts, 230. And here's another one. It's 90 watts, 230 volts, and it gives a little bit deeper noise than the other one, and it's a hell of a lot louder. This is used for firing ranges or small communities, and that one is for a fire alarm. So I've shown you two, and I've got something new yesterday, a new toy, and that is this one. And that's, ladies and gentlemen, is an Airraid siren. It's a Harman. It's taking from the power source 5 kilowatts, and it's got a big boy plug on it, and that's 50 times as much power than that one. 5000 watts, and it gives a hell of a noise. I turned it on yesterday, I videoed it. I will not turn it on now because every neighbor will complain about it. Even when it's in the garage, you can hear it a few blocks further on, so I won't do that. When it's outside and on the ground, you can hear it in the next village. That's how loud it is. So I will show you after this little bit of video. I will stick a little bit of video from yesterday, and you can see how bad that was. It's a very large thing. I will sound it a little bit by turning my finger in it. It's huge. It's probably from the 1980s. I don't know if I can show you. No, I can't show you the label. I will do that later. I couldn't let that go. Originally there was a big hat on this, about this wide on it, for the rain, but it wasn't there anymore. But this thing is so loud. The video that I'll put next on, I believe I turned it on for 30% of the total of the RPMs. I gave it a little burst, but it was very loud, I can tell you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is my new Airraid siren, and those were the other two. It's heavy too. It's 62 kilos. I will show you some videos later when it's in action on a party or something. This will be a lot of fun. Well guys, enjoy the video that comes next, and I see you later. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget.